My wonderful people, welcome to my platform. If it is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, you are welcome. I beg you for a favor after watching. If you like what I do here, please subscribe, put on your notification bell. That is very, very important because it will enable you to know when I upload a new video. I present to you news on daily basis about what is happening in the whole world, especially in Nigeria and in Biafran land. Before I present the news, I analyze it and I sit down there together to watch it with you. Then we'll come to the comment section to talk about it. You are free to criticize, to drop your opinion, but let us do it constructively as we watch this video together. I appreciate your massive support. Let's watch the video now.
The United States of America have given 48 hours to the Janjaweed, Nigeria, to the Fulani Caliphate, to provide their criminal terrorists, Al-Bakari. I not tell you now. Otherwise, they are going to face several sanctions. Allegedly. The Zamfara House of Assembly speakers, fathers, uncles, stepmother, and others, they have been kidnapped. Bandit kidnapped Zamfara House of Assembly speaker, father, uncle, and stepmother, and others were kidnapped. That's your one Nigeria. That's the Nigeria we find ourselves. So what you do right now, go and search out what is wrong. What is wrong? And something big is about to happen. Something big is about to happen anytime from now. The head is about to shake and take a new shape. All what I told you before is what you are seeing today. Are you still going to insult me? Or you are going to say, God bless that man? Or you are going to continue your stupidity? If you want to continue your stupidity, I will pray for God to give you more grace to remain your stupidity. I told you about it. But people are speaking out, resisting the devil for you. People are speaking out, resisting the devil for you. Now, what are you doing in this whole thing? What have been your work in this whole thing? Did you even know what's happening? Do you know what this is going to metamorphose to? You PhD holder, you that know how to speak Queen's English. Did you know what's happening? You got no education, man. You better go and start more learning. But people are fighting for you. Italians, they are saying no to Green Pass. Paris, France, they are saying no to Green Pass. What are you saying? Anywhere Beleface. Now, why not also join them to fight? So that here can become a better place for even your children. Because I know you are going to die definitely. Because as many of you that are stupid, not all, there are some that will definitely die. God must kill them. It's an avenue for God to kill them because the evil to mumu, they should leave the world and let the good one, emerge. I'm talking about people that are almost about 90% brain dead. At least 50 we go manage them. But all this one when they see so, that doesn't even care. They continue with saga, they are ending here with saga. They don't even care to know what's happening. Don't you know that any information you get from a given society help to protect your children? Right now, you does not know about what's happening. What are you going to tell your children? You does not know about what's going on. How are you going to advise your children? You can see that the education of your children have nothing to do right now with what's happening. The education of your children can speak the best language in the world. They can write letter, a 20-page of letter under 1 hour. Have nothing to do right now. This is where the wisdom of God comes in. Now wisdom they speak now. Now they run up so. It's not made for the PhD. It's not even made for Wole Soyinka. This fight is made for the people who are ready. This fight are made for the patriot who fight to defend the constitution of a country. It's not made for everybody. So that's why go and start doing your research right now. You're not going to know it happen. But I'm telling you, my followers, something good must happen. Hold the line. Don't let your faith get weak. They may even drive you from work right now. That's how the Bible has said it. It's in the book of Revelation 13, 16, and 17. Read it, you will get it clear. That comes to social media. I'm unbeatable. Stop those your insults. Because that is my new revolution. Because what I'm doing, I'm using it to help people. So go and create a platform. Go and be telling that jargons there. When I become it no magba, I want in all well on it any rabbi you. That's what I'm going to do because it's not easy for me. God has sent me to do this. So also look for a commitment for yourself. Anything I've said, I'm urging you today, keep it. Use it against me tomorrow. Next can come to pass. Last 2 weeks here, I prayed. I pray for river and I pray. Waiting I talk. What's the meaning of the prayer? Where Bakari today? Is you are not sending message now say may federal government of Janjaweed Nigeria may they provide the under 48 hours that they face sanction. I not tell now say not be Britain one come Nigeria against in America go come. Are they not here now? Do you know whether they are already in your locality? Continue misbehaving. A lot of people they don't know that there is time and season for everything. At times when people offend, instead of you to try back, just hold on. People they fool themselves. I woke up this morning, I hear a lot of things. I say, oh, hi, generation of decadency. I wept again. I begin to see reason why Jesus Christ wept. People don't get sense. People go set trap for una go enter. You don't know what's happening in Nigeria. You don't know what's happening in Nigeria. The world is about to take a new shape. There's not going to be a time again for shenanigans. Say now you get gone, you can kill anybody. Your word will haunt you. Call Chinese, may you ask them right now. Call Chinese. Ask them. What did they happen? Call Turkey, may you ask them. What is before them? Was it not last week here? It's like last week now. Now. Ice block not for Italy. For Torino there. He fought once he stopped. Overnight the baby one. I'm not saying you believe me, but I'm an eye opener. I'm giving you an introduction. Go and do your research yourself. You are not helping me. You are not helping me. If you share this video, you are not helping me. You are saving a soul. I put my own here. Because I read my Bible. God told me, go into all the world and preach the gospel to every living creature. The book of Mark 16, verse 15. He told me the book of Mark 16, verse 15. Go into all the world. Preach the gospel to every living creature. Are you a living creature or you are a dead creature? If you are a living creature, you should be able to key into this ideology. Begin to ask yourself, how did Comrade Newton know about what he knows today? Who is giving him information? How does he know about it? Why is it that anytime he talks about something come to pass? Why is it that if this boy want to pick a fight, pick it from the crash? Even when there's not even anything. When you people say talk back, I said no. He's going to stay. He's coming back. The sun is everywhere. You should be ashamed right now that you cannot pick up any battle. Better not Ghana. How to betray people. I got nowhere where you didn't selfless service. Where are the selfless services? But at the end of the day, they start looking for appointment. That's when I know a human being. No wonder everything that God said about human beings is true. Now God himself first created here before. This earth fed there as a be so. Now what did they happen and I make God fed your verse kill all his children? Oh, Salomon, why you boy what believe here? Genesis chapter 6 verse 6. He destroyed everywhere. But you can't tell Noah just the same way he is right now. None of you is believing. But Noah was an idiot as at that time until when it started raining. For those of you that have mocked at me, you will not survive the crisis. Oh, Salomon, make young boy. Then you will not know that I am sent by God. I know we cannot free everybody, but the one in my to free him free. Eh? Stop is not even reason my matter at all. Say you want even reason insult me. Because it's sakmana. Or one will you home. Who encouraged me for this? When you are sleeping at times 5 a.m. I'm in my system. Either I'm studying, I'm doing research to find out what's happening in the world. During the course of my studies, how about why we drop me? Even when you talk about Magba. I not tell you before I say I not go school. I not tell you before I say I not go school. Why be say you will come be graduate, will put Uniben or Unilab for your Facebook? You know how to speak Queen's English, you cannot do what I do. Now be say you are an animal. God said, God resisted the brother and give us more grace to the humble. God have naked you and give you. He can't give me your own grace. Because he found out that you are a very big animal. Instead of people to appreciate you what they cannot do. Do you think because it is? Do you know I'm giving millions of people hope to life? This kind of program, do tell me any Nigerian stupidity or celebrity that have time. They got no time for you. The information they have, they use to secure themselves. But as I'm securing myself, I'm securing you alone. Nothing hidden today. Nothing I held back. Just the same way Jesus Christ wrote in the book of John chapter 15, verse 15. He said, you are no longer my servant. Today I call you a friend. Because what a servant knoweth not what a master do. He said, everything I've heard from my father, I've also revealed to thee. Any information in me, I prefer to give unto you. Even to my enemy, I would have been calling people. I'll just call James Friday. I'll just call and I'll give them the code. But see what he do. I'll just call Jeff Osas. Then I'll just call everybody. I'll just call Bridget Clark. I'll call everybody. No, I decided to put it here. Or first or best. You know. I decided to put everything here. So that those who want me to learn, they go get something inside where they transfer. Do you know how many people I have saved? But people were in Italian parliament today fighting for you. Not that they cannot find their way in. And say now, all the senators, not to green part of the senators, but all these Janjaweed idiots, all these slaves in Italy, let's give them. But they're also fighting for you. Who are you fighting for? Instead of you to join, you are the right comment. As you are writing comment, you are losing no doubt. Whatever bad comment you put on my page, because what I'm doing right now, even your governor cannot do it for you. Do you know how many governors are going to go to jail? Do you know how many governors have your You think it's a joke? It is a movement. It is a movement. Let me quickly bust this out. Finally, what we told you about before.
Thank you for always watching Linda's TV show. I will see you again in my next video. Remain blessed. I appreciate each and every one of you, and keep on watching Linda's TV show. If you have not yet subscribed, please, I beg you to do that so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Bye bye.